Hello, today I want to talk about being a good person, a good human being. And if you think about what is the difference between someone who's good and someone who's bad, and you think about the adjectives and phrases that people describe you, are you reliable, are you dependable, would you hire this person, would you work with this person, and why not? And I think we've all had friends or colleagues before they think, I wouldn't hire that person, or I definitely would hire that person. And I would say that it's always good to be in that area. This person's reliable and dependable. They say something, they're going to do it. They're a person of their word. And the other thing is, like, you can ask yourself this question: do you help build people up, or do you break them down? And are you willing to be a good person? What does it mean to be a good person? Be helppful, work hard, learn things. Be open-minded and learn things and talk to people. And also, like, there's so much stuff always going on in the world. You don't think you know every single thing, because you don't. Don't think you're the fastest or strongest or whatever, best musician or composer or whatever, filmmaker, whatever you are, biker or whatever. There's always someone that's going to be hypothetically better than you and whatnot. Just work on the struggle of being the best person that you can be. And if you do that, I think there's a lot of really great rewards. Your time on this earth is very short in comparison to, how long a mountain is, or how long the earth is here, or how long the universe is, and all these things. So, why not go through this, the time you have on this rock here, and just enjoy life and be helpful and be happy and smile and enjoy things. You can always be negative, you can always gossip, you can always try to break somebody down or try to get somebody, I got you, on there. Or, isn't it always better, hey, that person did well, that person did a really good job. Here's a critique about it. There's nothing wrong with giving a critique about something, Constructive criticism, there's nothing wrong with that at all. I think that's fine. But if you're just constantly just waiting for somebody to fail, man, what kind of life is that, I would say in a lot of aspects, grow up. Yeah. That's something that a 2-year-old is doing. If you're an adult, get over that. Stop gossiping. Be a human being. Be someone who's people that like and care about, and want to say, I want to work with that person, or that person's dependable, and I want to hang out with that person. Those are all good things to have, good aspects to look for. And when someone's successful, praise them. And if somebody can do something better, if you can help them out and give them some critique, that's cool too. But ultimately, at the end of the day, I've lived long enough, and I realize a lot of times that when people break down other people, it's not because of you. It's really more because of them. They're the one that's having the problem, not you. As always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. My name is Herbert Midgley. I'm the internet legend, the most unique content anywhere in the universe, right here on this channel. And it does compute. Yeah, subscribe. Be a great person, everybody, and smile.